The non-lethal ungun in full effect. Shooting speed 234 miles, man down, 30 minutes max.
Coming out of the muzzle, it's 340 feet per second.
Larry and his wife Lori now taking matters into their own hands.
A lot can happen within just a few minutes waiting for a police officer to show up. And their response times are very long at some point in time.
The first Life Safe store now open in New Mexico.
It's no longer safe here in Albuquerque, and I truly fear for my safety.
Data from U.S. News shows New Mexico at #1 in the nation for crime.
I'm absolutely fed up.
An ongoing concern for residents like Elisa Martinez. She's lived in Albuquerque for 25 years.
I've witnessed theft. I've witnessed shoplifting. We've all kind of know somebody or been a victim of car theft and other types of crimes.
Crime even at top of mind for state leaders. The governor calling a special session because of it.
These are not solutions that we just concocted out of thin air. All right, they've been before the session a ton.
So you're probably wondering how it works, right? It's simple. Safety goggles first, then load your clip. 5 projectiles, lock and load, then fire off.
So imagine this little marble hitting you right there at that speed. It's going to take you down to your knees.
No license or permit needed, and since it's not a real gun, you can carry it concealed.